How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook Reels history step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on your profile name to open your profile. And now from here, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile settings page, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on activity log. And now here, once you're inside the activity log, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as post. So simply tap on manage post, and after that on the next page what you can do is just tap on the filters button at the top. And now from here you can just tap on categories, and after that on the next pop-up menu you can just tap on the option labeled as videos you have watched. And after that on the next page it will show you all your reels history. So from here what you can do is just tap on the three dot next to any reel that you want to remove, and after that you can just tap on delete to delete it from your watch history, and this will remove that reel from your history, and with that you can repeat for other reels as needed. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.